Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on The Learning Curve. In the last episode of The Learning Curve, we learned how you can count by fives. Today, my little kitties, we are going to be brave and learn to count by bigger numbers. For example, we will start counting by 10. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. That was great, my furry little friends. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. That was great, my furry little friends. You get a star for such great work. That was fantastic. You have done a super job. I am so proud of you, my little kitties. Hello, kitties. How would you like to be a part of the Hello Kitties family? Here's what you'll need to do. You'll have to get permission from your parents to join, and their email is used for you to sign up. We are building a learning army of kitties all over the world. Join our family today. Remember, you can only do this with your parents. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. Friends from all nations. Go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.